Hi everyone, it's Chris at Gardening Express here, just doing a little tour of the nursery today, and I've come across these exciting time of year as everything's bursting into growth. No flowers on this one right now, but there will be later on. This is a Ceanothus called Snow Flurry. These normally come in blue. You get different shades of blue, dark blue, light blue, but this is a white variety, a bit unusual. So if you've got a wall or something, this would be a perfect, what they call a wall shrub, to grow against that. It likes a sunny spot, but I've found them quite tolerant. I've even had these growing in, half shade, even a bit darker than that, without too much trouble at all. They're quite robust evergreen shrubs. So if you've got something ugly to cover as well, maybe a garage or something, you don't want to see a grey concrete wall or something, one of those old school garages, plant a couple of these there. You can clothe that with nice evergreen foliage and you get flowers a bit later in the year of Ceanothus Snow Flurry. Other varieties available as well. Thanks very much. See you next time.